Did you know Grab actually launched a women-only ride feature in Malaysia back in March 2026? Well, if you're just finding out now, no worries, because it also took me months after it was launched for me to discover this beta feature on the Grab app. So today, I'm going to show you how to unlock this feature, testing it out on the ground, and share my honest experience with it. First things first. In order to unlock this feature, Grab requires a verification through an eKYC process that requires you to declare your gender and click on the verification link. And just so you know, this process will take up to 3 business days to get verified. While this feature is listed for Klang Valley only on Grab's official website, the Grab app actually shows that this feature is also available in Johor and Penang. And if you're wondering why you may not see it now on your app, that's because the feature banner only pops up when you're physically inside Klang Valley, Johor or Penang and vanishes once you're out of the vicinity. And no, this feature is strictly for travelling around Klang Valley, Johor and Penang. Because when I tried to book a women's only ride to Nilai from KL, the option was unavailable. And if you're wondering how to use this feature, all you need to do is just type in your destination, click on the drop-down arrow on Standard and select Women Only Rides. And that's it! You're all booked and ready. Now, while Grab claims that this feature is strictly for advanced booking, I actually succeeded in securing a women's only ride and matched with a female driver in under a minute. The trip itself felt calm, comfortable and completely secure. I didn't even feel the need to constantly update my parents. Overall, the Women Only Rides delivers on safety and comfort for female passengers while empowering female drivers. And honestly, while this feature is truly commendable, I believe it deserves a proper promotion, awareness, and a larger coverage area. And while the current verification process is a great start, might I suggest introducing a real-time facial verification before booking to ensure continued safety and account sharing prevention. Let us know what you think about this feature and what other feature Grab should implement in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm JK, signing out.